Hello children, let's start our general knowledge class with the third lesson, Museums in India. What do you mean by museums? We too have museum in Navnagar. So a museum is a building in which interesting and valuable objects are kept and displayed. Museum collect and preserve our objects and materials of religious, cultural and historical values. Museums are a storehouse of old artifacts, sculptures, object, history, etc. When you go to the Navnagar Museum, you can see so many historical objects there. The sculptures, the olden days, how the village people used to be. So these all are the interesting and valuable objects kept and displayed for the public people, for their knowledge, for education. Read the descriptions, identify the museums and write their names. So they have given here description about the museum. We have to identify which museum it is. First question. The dash is in New Delhi. The museum has around 200,000 or you can also say 2 lakhs works of art covering a time span of over 5,000 years. Children, can you guess which museum? Yes, it is National Museum in New Delhi. Second question. The dash is in Hyderabad, Telangana. It has the largest one-man collection of antiques. The museum exhibits objects ranging from 2nd century BC to early 20th century AD. The answer is Salarjung Museum in Hyderabad. The dash is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It has a great collection of beautifully designed fabrics dating back to the 17th century. Children, can you guess which museum? Yes, it is Calico Museum of Textiles in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The next question. The dash is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It has a unique collection of India's archaeological and historical treasure. Can you guess which museum? The correct answer is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya. The fifth question. The dash is in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. It has a collection of Indian bronze sculptures as well as artifacts of Kerala. Children, can you guess which museum? Yes, it is Napier Museum in Kerala. The last question. The dash is in Kolkata, West Bengal. It is the largest and oldest museum in India. It has the finest collection of art and objects from the distant past. Can you guess which museum? Yes, it is Indian Museum in Kolkata, West Bengal. Thank you.